Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is the series verses of the Holy Quran related to different subjects. So today I will talk about the verses related to origin of mankind, and in that the subtitle is clay is the building material of humans. The Holy Quran states in at least 6 different chapters that the humans are made from clay. Surah Al-Hijr, Surah Hajj, Surah Al-Mu'minun, Surah Al-Sajda, Surah Fatir, and Surah Al-Mu'min. So let us start with the Surah Al-Hijr, chapter 15, verse 26. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ صَلْصَالٍ مِنْ حَمَإٍ مَسْنُونٍ. We created mankind from sounding clay that was molded from black mud. This verse is often interpreted to mean that Allah created Adam from a specific type of clay that was molded and had a distinct smell and sound. After reading this verse, Professor Okuda, who was professor of political systems at Kyoto University, Japan, he embraced Islam. He was so much impressed by this verse. Then chapter 22, Surah Hajj, verse 5, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, فَإِنَّا خَلَقْنَاكُم مِّن تُرَابٍ. Translation: Mankind started from clay. Then chapter 23, Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse 12, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ سُلَالَةٍ مِّن طِينٍ. Translation: Allah made humans from chosen clay. Chapter 32, Surah Sajda, verse 7. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَبَدَأَ خَلْقَ الْإِنسَانِ مِنْ طِينٍ. Translation: and started clay creation of humans from clay. Then chapter 35, Surah Fatir, verse 11. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَاللَّهُ خَلَقَكُم مِّن تُرَابٍ. Translation: Allah created Adam from clay. In chapter 40, Surah Al-Mu'min, verse 67. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَهُوَ الَّذِي خَلَقَكُم مِّن تُرَابٍ. Translation: He is the one who made humans from clay. So comments. So apparently the clay or soil and the human body has nothing in common. Clay is amorphous, while human body is made of structures with definite shapes, and humans themselves have distinct physical appearance. So this revelation of the Holy Quran more than 1400 years ago has been scrutinized ever since. But now the modern science, it is endorsing these words of the Holy Quran. So the main constitution or constituents of the human body, that is 99.9%, are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine. So among them, except hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon, all are present in soil. Source of all these materials is soil. So, and when we talk about hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon, we know that oxygen and hydrogen derive from water, and water is an important part of the soil. So these also get counted. So we can now the modern science, it confirms that the human body is basically made from soil. Its constituents are same as those its constituents are found in the soil. 99.9% of its constituents. So this was a short vlog today. And before this is the list of vlogs in this series which I have already presented. And this is another series which is running, events that shaped Islamic history, and these are those I already completed series. And you know how to reach my vlogs. Thank you very much for your attention. Allah Hafiz till the next time.